How to view liked posts on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. All you want to do is open up your Facebook application, and then on the top left, go ahead and press these three lines. Now, all you want to do is go to settings and privacy, then go to settings at the very top. Now over here, you're going to see a lot of different things, right? But all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down, and then you're going to see activity log under your activity. Once you go ahead and click on it, go over to your Facebook activity, and then you're going to see a lot of different things. So you can go to comments and reactions, which if you want to look at your like post, go over to that, and then you can go to likes and reactions for your activity log. And then what you're going to be able to see is anything that you've liked in the past or anything like that, you're going to be able to see it right now. And what I could also go ahead and do is go back, and then that's likes and reactions, right? I could also go ahead and manage any posts, anything I've been tagged in. If I want to see all my history, I can go over to your post photos and videos and just see anything like that. But yeah, it's as simple as that.